In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabbed layout in Notion. If your pages are getting long and cluttered, the tabbed layout can make them feel lighter and more organized by letting you group content into easy-to-scan sections across the top of the page. Let's set it up together, step by step. First, open any page inside a Notion database. This needs to be a database item, like a project, a task, or a note stored in a database, not a standalone page on the sidebar. You'll know you are in the right place if you see database properties at the top of the page, such as status or due date. Now, move your cursor near the top of the page title. You'll see a button appear called Customize Layout. Click that. This is where you control how the content of this database page is displayed. If you don't see the button, double-check that you are inside a database item and not just a regular page. A panel will open. In that panel, click Page Settings. Page Settings is the area where you choose the overall structure for the page. So think of it as the layout blueprint. Under Structure, you'll see the current option is Simple. Change that from Simple to Tabbed. As soon as you do, Notion creates a tab bar at the top of your page with a default tab named Content. This doesn't change your existing blocks. It simply puts them inside the first tab so you can start organizing. Next, let's add more tabs. To the right of the Content tab, click the plus icon. Give your new tab a clear, short name that matches what you plan to store there, like notes, tasks, or files. Repeat this to create as many tabs as you need. Keeping your tabs concise and distinct will make navigation faster for you and your team. You can also connect these tabs to related databases. For example, if you manage tasks in a separate database, create a tab called Tasks and add a linked view of that database inside the tab. Then filter it to show only items related to the current page. This keeps everything context-aware and prevents duplication. The same idea works for documents, meetings, or resources you track elsewhere in Notion. When you are happy with the setup, close the Layout panel and start dropping content into each tab. Use consistent naming, avoid creating too many tabs, and keep the most used information in the first couple of tabs, so it's always one click away. That's it, your database item now has a clean tab structure that's easier to navigate and maintain. Thanks for watching.